Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to allow only approved websites on Mac. So if you want Safari to open a small number of trusted websites, you can create a approved list using screen time. After enabling this option, any website that is not included into that list will automatically be blocked. This gives you a complete control over which website can be accessed, and it is especially useful for children's account, education or focusing browser. So to start with, first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to screen time and click on content and privacy. Here enable the toggle right to content and privacy and then go to App Store, Media, Web and Games. Now click on the drop down menu right to access to web content and choose allowed websites only. Once this option is selected, you can see a customize button right here. Click on it and here you will see the list of approved websites. You can keep the existing website or manage the list by adding or removing or editing websites as needed. If you want to remove any website from here, or you just need to select that website and then simply click on this minus icon. If you want to add a website, click on this add button and here you can add a website name and their URL, and finally click on done to add that website in this list. And you even can change the website URL. For that you need to select that website and then click on this three dot, and from here you can edit the website name and even the URL also. And once done, click on done button and done again. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.